Microsoft Copilot is your AI assistant to help you grow and run your business while keeping your data safe. Once you've reviewed the prerequisites and purchased Microsoft Copilot licenses, go to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Then select Billing, Licenses, Microsoft Copilot for Microsoft 365. You assign and manage Copilot licenses just like any other Microsoft 365 license. Select Assign Licenses. You can add up to 20 users at a time. Select Turn Apps and Services on or off to assign or remove access to specific items. We recommend leaving all of these selected. Select Assign. Here you can send users a welcome email to help them learn what Copilot can do for them in Microsoft 365. Visit adoption.microsoft.com/Copilot for additional tools and resources for rolling out Copilot.